Today I'm going to be reviewing Reese's stuffed with Reese's Pieces Buttercup. I don't know what to think about this. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. Alright, I'm going to try this.
Why I'm easy like Sunday morning.
You get that softness and then you get the crunchiness afterwards. Even though it's probably going to be discontinued in like 2 weeks, it's still pretty dang good. Bon appetit. I give Reese's Cups stuffed with Reese's Pieces a 25,000 out of 10. Let's see if it transports the trash to the trash can. Ooh. Nope. Join us next time. We'll review Zach Snacks.